A man named Tom used to spend his entire day at home watching TV and eating chips. In a short time, he became very fat and started suffering from various ailments. Finally, fed up, he went to a famous doctor, Dr. Johnson. Tom groaned and said, "Doctor, please give me a prescription so I can lose weight and get healthy." Dr. Johnson glanced at Tom's large stomach and said, "I won't give you any medicine. I will tell you two things, and if you strictly follow them, you will be absolutely fine in a month." Tom: "Yes, doctor, tell me quickly. I'm ready to do anything." Dr. Johnson took off his glasses and said, "You must walk briskly for 2 hours every day. While walking, you must not look left or right at all." A month later, Tom came back to Dr. Johnson. He was indeed looking much leaner and fitter. Dr. Johnson asked happily, "That's wonderful, Mr. Tom. You've done an amazing job. But tell me, how did not looking left or right help you while walking?" Tom answered innocently, "Doctor, the benefit of not looking left or right was that I couldn't make it to the bakery on the street corner." Dr. Johnson was left holding his head. Moral:
If you haven't liked and commented yet, do it quickly and follow our channel.